Yo, 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 what's up?
What's up?
A Manson and
This random chick with a car truck.
anyways, yo, Gabba Gabba status.
Boom, 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 boom.
You guys should see this really awesome thing.
She's talking about me.
No.
Woohoo!
Sparkly! Ooh, sparkly!
Boom, boom, boom. Look at my Escalade. He's driving on 25.
This is the only car she owns.
Oh, this is my
Wait, we're gonna do a story with Pikachu, the truck, the Yo Gabba Gabba guy, and this rubber ducky.
Hey, you want to be friends?
No, I don't want to be your friend because you're gay. I don't want to be friends with you because you're gay and I'm
You're
not.
gay. My mom told me not to hang with you anyways.
No, Pikachu. You know what? You're stupid. You live in
You just got hit by a truck.
No.
That's how the story ends. He just got hit by a truck. I'm sorry. Love you. Bye.
No, stop.
You rolled off the table.
And into the ravine. No, you can't do that.
You said.
Can I say something? You can't do that because I'm a duck and I'm wearing a top hat. I'm wearing a hat.
I'm sorry, but you said that. I said you died.
Shut up. I'm getting in my car and driving away.
You ain't told me anything. You get away from me.
Beep, beep, get away from my car. Ah!
You better run. You better run. I'm too tired to run. I'm too tired to run. What you gonna do?
And that was the end of the story, everybody. Bye.
Pikachu loved.
Yep. Out of this place.
Roadhouse.